Hello, friends. Today, I'll show you how to find your Wi-Fi password in Windows. Step-by-step method. Open the Start menu and go to the Control panel. If you're using Windows 10 or Elewin, you can also go to Start Settings Network and Internet. In the Control panel, click on Network and Internet. Then, open Network and Sharing Center. On this page, you'll see your current network. Click on the name of the network your computer is connected to. In the new window that opens, click on the Wireless Properties button. A new window will open. Go to the Security tab. Here you'll find the Network Security Key or Security Key. This is where your Wi-Fi password is stored. To view the password, check the box labeled Show Characters. Your Wi-Fi password will now appear in plain text. Important notes. This method only works for the network your computer is currently connected to. Sometimes, you'll need administrator privileges, meaning your computer might ask for the admin password. In different versions of Windows, the menu names might vary slightly. For example, Settings Network and Internet Status Network and Sharing Center. But the basic steps are the same. Click on your network wireless property security, Show Characters. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe.